Good morning, students. Today we discuss about the second lesson. Children, I will ask some questions. Have you ever seen the world map? ఎప్పుడైనా world map ని చూసారా? Today I will show in the world map. Children, look at the world map. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. What are they? North America, South America, North America, South America, Asia, Africa, Europe, and Australia, and Antarctica, Arctica. There are 7 continents. Okay, and name the ocean located on the left side in the given world map. Name the ocean located on the left side in the world map. Left side ocean, Pacific Ocean, left side, and right side Pacific Ocean, left side and right side. 2 oceans, Pacific Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Okay, name the ocean located on the left side in the given world map. Okay, given world map, and name the ocean located on the right side in the given world map. Left side and right side, 2 sides same ocean. Okay, you will observe the same ocean on the both side. You will observe the same ocean on the both side. Okay, it is a Pacific Ocean. It is the Pacific Ocean, North Pacific Ocean, North Pacific Ocean. Okay, Pacific Ocean, 2 side, both side on the world map. When you fold the world map, fold the world map. Okay, ఎప్పుడైనా మీరు వరల్డ్ మ్యాప్ని ఇలా ఫోల్డ్ చేసి కనుక చూసినట్లయితే ఇలా రౌండ్ షేప్లో ఉంటుందన్నమాట. వరల్డ్ మ్యాప్ని ఫోల్డ్ చేస్తే రౌండ్ షేప్లో ఉంటుంది. ద 2 parts కమ్ టుగెదర్ వన్ ప్లేస్. ఓకే, ఇలా 2 partsలో ఇలా అండ్ రైట్ సైడ్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ రైట్ సైడ్ ఉన్నటువంటి ఈ వరల్డ్ మ్యాప్ని 2 sides ఇలా ఫోల్డ్ చేస్తే కనుక మనకి సేమ్ ప్లేస్, ఒకే ప్లేస్ వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి ఓషియన్ అనేది ఒకే చోట మనకి వరల్డ్ మ్యాప్లో 2 ప్లేసెస్లో చూపించడం జరుగుతుంది. అండ్ we can say that the earth is a round in the shape. Okay, this is the globe and this is the round shape. The earth is a round shape. Okay, for example, and during the 15th century, the ancient navigators, the globe is a true model of the earth. Okay, the globe is a true model of the earth, and on a globe countries, continents and oceans show in the and proportionate size. Countries, continents and oceans. Countries, continents and oceans show in the propagated and axis of the earth. Axis of the earth, and a needle is a fixed through the globe is tilt manner which is called the axis. This is the earth, this is the axis, this is a needle, axis. Okay, axis, and 2 points on the globe through which the needles pass are 2 poles, north pole and south pole. Okay, north pole and south pole. Okay, 2 poles passes through in the axis, and the globe moves around the needle from the west to east. the globe, and east, west, west to east. Okay, the globe moves around the west to east, and but remember there is a major differences, and Earth's revolution axis is an imaginary straight line which runs through the north and south poles. Okay, Earth's imaginary lines. This is the imaginary lines, and west to east, around the west to east. And globe was modeled in 1492, Martin Behem. Okay, and globe was 1492, and model of the Martin Behem. Martin Behem. And another remarkable modern looking and translation globe of Earth was constructed by Athene, and the world's first seamless celestial globe was and built by Mughal scientist. Celestial built by Mughal scientist. The word and globe comes from the Latin word, and globes meaning sphere. Globe meaning sphere, and the imaginary line running horizontally on the middle of the globe divided into two equal and parts. Two equal parts. The globe. This is the globe, and two equal parts. The northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay, two parts divided into equator. Two parts, and this lines is known as the equator 0° latitude. Equator is 0° latitude. Okay, 0° latitude, and half of the line with of the equator known as the northern hemisphere, and half of the line is known as the southern hemisphere. This show in the world map. This is the This is the 0° latitude. Okay, 0° latitude, equator. Okay, half of the part northern hemisphere and half of the part southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, and 0° latitude. 0° latitude. Okay.